friends. Today I'm going to show you how to create your GitHub token, and here's why I'm going to show you that. So if you're using Bind AI, you could connect your GitHub repositories and access it with advanced models such as Claude and OpenAI GPT-4o. Uh, so this is the screen where the repos are already synced. If you want to sync your repo, the first thing you need to do is create a GitHub token. And I'm going to show you how exactly to do that. So first thing, you need to go to your GitHub and you'll have to sign in. Okay, so once you go into your GitHub, you're going to click on this top right and you're going to select settings. Once you select your settings, you're going to scroll down on the left side and click on developer settings. Okay, and then you click on this personal access token, fine-grained tokens, and let's just create a new one. So yeah, okay, let's call it for demo. Okay, and expiration, I'm gonna make it no expiration. GitHub recommends that you set a date. Let's say 90 days. So after 90 days, essentially your token will not be accessible anymore. So if you're using it in Bind AI or any system, it won't be able to access your data. Repository access, I'm going to give all repositories. And here's the reason why. If I only give select repositories, you can do that. You can select one or two, but the token will only give access to this. So let's say in future, if you want to sync more repositories, you'll have to create a new token and resync everything. So I'm going to click on all repositories and I'm going to give permissions. So the primary permission is the contents. Okay, you can read more when you click on this icon, but it's essentially going to give access to your code base, your commits, your branches, downloads, your releases. So I'm going to say read only. Since we're only syncing it as in ingesting data from your GitHub, we only need a read access. So please only select read only. And that's pretty much it. And you just hit this. Okay, so now it's going to create a token. You'll have to copy it because you'll not see this again. Okay, you could recreate or regenerate a token, but this token you'll have to save. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this token, and if I have to add it in Bind AI, I'm just going to replace this and add it. I'm not going to show you the full integration because we have a separate video. The link is in the description. But I'm just going to test it out and see if it works. Let's see. Okay, all right. So it connected and then it's showing me all the repos which are available through the token. I'm also going to show you that if I just give a single repo, what's going to happen. So let's go here. Let's try to create a new one. Just going to say temp demo so that I know I need to delete it later. I'm going to keep it default 30 days. I'm only going to say select repositories. Let's only pick this one, the platform one. So I'm only giving access to one repo. And I'm going to give access to the code base read only. All right. Generate token, copy. Let's do the same thing. Going back to Bind AI, I'm going to edit the token, put the new one, and fetch. All right. Okay. So it shows me three. The three are because these two are public, and this one is private. So in the private one, it is giving me access to that repo and all the branches I have, and I can go ahead and sync my repo. And that's how you create a token. Comment how you feel about it, and also check out our video on how to integrate with GitHub and ask questions based on your GitHub data. Thank you so much.